Healing your body, building strength, and relieving pain. What if you could achieve all of that with a single, simple movement? Hanging from a bar might seem like a basic exercise, but dead hangs are much more than that. They unlock a range of benefits that go far beyond just building muscle. With the dead hang, your body engages in a quiet, yet powerful healing process. It's not just about getting stronger, it's about rejuvenating your joints, easing tension in your spine, and even boosting your mental resilience. Dead hangs offer a unique blend of physical and therapeutic effects, making them an essential addition to any routine. Whether you're looking to enhance your strength or simply recover from the daily strain of life, this movement holds the power to heal your body from the inside out. A dead hang is one of the simplest yet most effective exercises you can add to your routine. At its core, it involves hanging from a bar with your arms fully extended, your feet off the ground, and your body in a neutral, relaxed position. There's no complex movement or need for equipment beyond a sturdy bar, making it incredibly accessible for anyone, whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to enhance your strength. What makes the dead hang so powerful is the simplicity of the action. By letting your body hang, you're allowing gravity to do the work, while your muscles, joints, and connective tissues engage naturally to support the position. This means that anyone, regardless of their fitness level, can experience its benefits. Dead hangs may seem like a passive exercise, but they work on a much deeper level, engaging your entire body in a subtle, yet powerful way. It's not just a stretch, it's a full-body engagement that helps your muscles, joints, and even your spine heal. When you hang from a bar, the first thing you'll notice is the grip strength required. This might seem like a small detail, but grip strength is essential for so many day-to-day tasks, from carrying groceries to opening jars. Beyond that, the act of hanging stabilizes and strengthens your shoulders. It engages the small muscles that support the shoulder joint, improving your range of motion and protecting you from future injuries. One of the most profound effects of dead hangs is the way they decompress your spine. As gravity pulls you down, space is created between your vertebrae, relieving pressure and offering a sense of release, especially for those who experience lower back pain. The benefits don't stop there. Your core muscles, particularly your abdominals, are engaged throughout the hang. This helps reduce strain on your back, improves posture, and promotes overall stability. Meanwhile, the joints in your wrists, shoulders, and elbows are subtly stretched and relieved from the constant pressure we put on them in daily life. Dead hangs are more than an exercise. They're a tool for healing, improving joint health, and restoring balance to your body. The benefits of dead hangs go beyond just physical strength, providing lasting improvements to key areas of your body's health. For those dealing with chronic shoulder pain, studies have shown that incorporating dead hangs into a routine can offer significant relief. By engaging the stabilizer muscles around the shoulder joint, you're not only preventing injuries, but also improving your shoulder's mobility and range of motion. This is especially beneficial for activities that require overhead movement, from lifting to sports. Dead hangs also play a critical role in spinal health. As you hang, your spine naturally decompresses, relieving the constant pressure it endures, especially for those who spend hours sitting at a desk. This decompression helps alleviate back pain and can lead to better posture over time, making dead hangs a perfect remedy for office workers or anyone with a sedentary lifestyle. Another benefit you'll notice early on is an increase in grip strength. This improvement doesn't just make exercises like pull-ups or weightlifting more effective, it's vital for everyday tasks like carrying groceries or holding heavy objects. After just a few weeks of dead hangs, your grip will feel stronger and more stable. At the same time, dead hangs engage your core muscles. It's not just about hanging passively. Your abdominals and surrounding muscles are constantly working to keep your body stable. This leads to a stronger, more balanced core, which is crucial for overall body stability and balance. Beyond the physical, dead hangs offer a mental challenge that builds resilience. Holding on through discomfort requires focus, endurance, and the ability to push through mental barriers. This exercise teaches you to stay calm and push your limits, skills that carry over into all areas of life, making dead hangs not just an exercise for the body, but also for the mind. The 90-second dead hang challenge might sound simple at first, but don't be fooled. Hanging for that amount of time tests both your physical and mental limits. It's a tangible goal that pushes you to engage your entire body while staying mentally focused. The key to succeeding in this challenge is all about form. Instead of rushing to hit that 90-second mark, prioritize engaging your core. keeping your shoulders relaxed and maintaining a neutral body position. This ensures you're getting the most out of each second you spend hanging and minimizes the risk of injury. Start small and be consistent. If you're new to dead hangs, aiming for 10 to 15 seconds at a time is a great way to build up your strength and endurance. From there, gradually increase the time as your grip strengthens and your body adapts. It's important to listen to your body and include rest days in your routine to allow proper recovery, especially for your shoulders and grip. Overtraining can lead to fatigue or strain, so balancing effort with recovery is essential. The 90-second dead hang is a test of both your physical capabilities and mental resilience. By working toward it gradually, you'll build a strong foundation and see lasting benefits. Now, it's your turn to take on the 90-second dead hang challenge. This exercise might seem straightforward, but it's one of the most powerful movements you can add to your routine. It not only builds physical strength, from your grip to your core, but also strengthens your mental resilience as you push through discomfort. The benefits of dead hangs go far beyond the bar, improving your shoulder health, relieving spinal tension, enhancing your posture, and even boosting your everyday performance. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Start small, be consistent, and gradually work your way to that 90-second goal. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes for both your body and mind. And if you want to dive deeper into how to incorporate dead hangs into your daily routine for long-term healing and strength, check out the full guide. It's time to take control of your fitness and feel the impact of this simple yet transformative exercise.